The TrustedParts.com manufacturer portal gives component manufacturers 24/7 access to relevant data and information you need to benefit fully from the TrustedParts.com system. Let's take a look at the manufacturer portal's great features. The Search and Click Analytics report gives details regarding specific user behavior. Use these valuable analytics to track customer interest, distributor performance, and marketplace patterns. The Authorized Distributors report lets you quickly and easily determine a distributor's current authorization status, review authorization proof, and add new distributors or update the status of existing distributors. Also available is the add-on feature, the Channel Inventory Profile tool. Here you can export an Excel file of all your inventory in the channel. Then use this information to analyze and compare the current pricing and inventory of your parts. With the TrustedParts.com manufacturer portal, you'll get clear, organized access to up-to-date metrics and analytics regarding your parts on TrustedParts.com. For more information about the TrustedParts.com manufacturer portal, please visit TrustedParts.com. Want access to all of the features of the manufacturer portal? Learn how to become an ECIA manufacturer member at ecianow.org.